Hello and welcome back to the New Hope campaign of Factorio. My name's Negative Root. Let's get cracking. We're talking about the plan and building the plan. We need to build the plan. The plan. And hopefully this will do it. Right, there's that. Okay, that's wonderful. We're also going to need some of these to do this. Well, what we're actually going to need is... No, I can't do that either. That's a bugger. Bugger. Alright, so we'll just do this and this. Do something like this. Okay, and now we'll run an engine factory off this, but I'm not sure. Oh, we do. So we need steel plate, pipe, gear wheels, all kinds of goodness. So that's plates research. That's good. Might grab the inserter bonus. Oh, shotgun shooting speed. That's nice and cheap. Let's do that. So engines. Means we're going to have to get our steel from down there up here. That's a pain in the ass, that is. Pain in the ass if I've ever seen one. Might do something like that for the moment. Just until I work out a way to do this. Now, our gear wheels can possibly come from here. Oh, here we go. Right, so this is starting to light off up here. See, little biters coming in now. Oh, that's not a little biter. That's a sizable biter. So that means that we need to look at some defense. Now I'd put down a... Ah, here it is. I had a whole bunch of walls in it. We're going to need those walls right now. So what we're going to do is increase the bunker size. Something like that. Now what else we need to do is these lasers that I've kept in reserve, time to commit them. And hopefully that holds it off. Now I notice that we're getting really high on our production for power, so let's just go and have a look at that and see if we can fix it a bit. So where's just eats the resources. So we've got enough for another 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Wonderful. Right, so put down some stop gaps for the moment. Now this will need to be our gear wheels. Going directly into this factory. Now this will need to be this. Now this we're going to need to tear down, I'm afraid. Loop and electronic circuits. Okay, wonderful. It doesn't actually require anything exotic. which is good news. Now we'll do this, we'll come up here. Oh my god, I missed. You goose. Okay, that's that. Right, done. Now, so that's that. We've got pipe, we've got everything happening. Build another one of these while we're standing around talking about it. So that we'll have to get down in here to do the engine units. That's fine. What are we missing? Bricks. That'd be right. Of course we're missing bricks. Don't even have them in our inventory anywhere. That's majorly annoying. Okay, what are we going to do? We're going to smelt some, obviously, but just need to... I'm not planning to be here for this long, but what the hey. Do things right the first time, I reckon. Now, that'll be that. Go into a box, and then out of a box, and into one furnace there, one furnace there. Shotgun shooting shell speed, wonderful. So we're going to need this very shortly. Now, do we have a box? No. Let's get a box. Right, that's that. Now we need another box. Wonderful. Now, need some more. Need some more power lines, man. Okay. What? Okay. That's good. Right. So, stone bricks, we only want this many of them. It's our 10, so we're going to get our first refinery. Now we're going to need batteries as well, which is just a little bit annoying, but whatever. I'm also going to need some of these. 2 for that, and then another 1, 2, 3, and then another 1. Yeah, I reckon that'll work. If it doesn't, don't blame me. Okay. We'll just sketch out the bare bones of it. Oh, wonderful. There we go, do that one. Now, what we're going to need is a couple of them. Now we need tons more stuff. Oh, that's right, I haven't powered this up. Of course, I'd forgotten about that. Okay, off we go. Outstanding. Okay. While our pipe builds, we'll just sketch out how this is all going to work. So, raw crude oil is going to come here, it's going to go into the refinery, it's going to get separated out into these 3 things here. Now, one of them is going to do lube, one of them is going to do things. Actually, thinking that one of them isn't going to do anything. And then we're going to get a bit of a setup happening with well, here is where I'll put my sulfur. Yeah, okay, that's how I need to make it go. Okay, this is going to be... Alright, that's not there yet. Bugger. Of course not, I haven't researched it yet. That's going to be my sulfur, sulfuric acid, and then batteries. And the other one I'll place here is going to be our plastic production, which will be good. I'm hoping that'll go two ways. Plastics, batteries. How are we doing for power? Oh gee whiz, we're getting quite high. Quite high. Right, so what we'll do is just come here with a splitter. That's not a bad shot, actually. Yeah, whatever, close enough. Actually, I'm going to want to put that on a belt down to here and then make advanced circuits, but anyway. Right, so that's that. We need some more belts. More conveyor belt before we do anything. So we can get this finished off. Right, whoops. Wow, that is really, really awesome. That's a rather sizable attack, actually. So I did actually get some wool there. Surprising. And now that's that. Ooh, I'd love to go for something like that, but I need sulfur. Okay, where'd those walls go? Let's just increase the thickness somewhat, shall we? Okay, that looks better. Actually gets a bit thick through here. Move these in a bit. Just improve our coverage just a fraction. Dear me. Okay, so all this is getting there. That's going to create lube when we get to it. Now, did we? Yes, we did. Right, so smart box output. Now, where's some of this? Right, good. Now, what's the plane require? 150. So we're going to get it to work when there's less than 150 in the system, so that's good. Now we'll do the same thing up here. Now red circuits take 2 plastic bars, where'd it go? So we're going to need 500 plus another 120, which is 620 in total. Now what we're actually going to do though is do something a bit different. We will work, okay, connect it up. Work when there's less than 120 in there. So what I'll do is I'll take it back out again. And run it this way to my yet to come bread circuit factory. Lights? Is there any lights? Okay, here's a light. Let's throw a little bit of light on the matter. Right, now we need to probably pipe it up. Okay, we're doing sulfur right now. That's good. Right, let's come down here and snag some pipe. 50 and 50, wonderful. Okay, that's all good. Oop, I'm heading in the wrong direction. Rightio, in the next episode we're going to continue working away on the oil system and continue building towards the blend.